Alright, so today is Thursday, and I'm going to make a market recap, just a quick recap on the weekly from the previous video I recorded on the price that I was interested in taking this week. So today is Thursday, and there just only remain one day for market to close. So I'm going to start my review. I'm going to start with the Euro USD pair. I'm going to start with Euro USD pair. Actually, this is I'm using, for now I'm actually using Trading Notion to record to do all my trading journal. So all of these are my trading journal. I think I've been tracking my trade for consecutive months. That this is the fourth month for now. Yeah, it's not that I've started tracking my trade just for 3 months. I've started tracking my record since 2023, and all the trade I have, but I was not using this sophisticated platform to record them. So for now, every trade that I took, I just joined them here. Some I didn't take them, but as learning purpose, I just document them in my trading journal with the Trader Notion. I think I've just journal one trade, which is USDCHF. USDCHF, which was a winning trade, I think. So let's start with Euro USD. So Euro USD, at the beginning of the week, I was interested in taking buy. I was interested in taking buy trade. Why? Because if we see daily time frame, we are actually bullish here. We are actually bullish around here, and this was the trade that we closer to break even last week. So this week I was anticipating 4H time frame to continue pushing to the upside. So as you can see, during Monday, this was Monday 1, during Monday around 04 a.m. So I was waiting the price to come and reject around this area of interest so that I can continue buying to the upside. But when the price reached to this area, give us a clear, very good rejection candlestick, very good rejection candlestick, which was here, this bullish rejection candlestick after very strong pin bar rejection from here. But why I didn't take this trade? Because daily time frame, because for me to take this trade I need 1 hour time frame to shift to shift to the upside. So as you can see, our time frame, this was the high, higher low, higher low, as you can see over here. So in order for me to take trade after the rejection candlestick around 4H time frame, what I need is the 1 hour time frame to break above this structure point over here. So I need this 1 hour to break above this structure point over here, which didn't happen. So that's why I was not concentrated. I was not interested in taking this buy trade. Okay, so today Monday, and then Monday around if you can daily time frame, around on Wednesday, yesterday, with candlestick close, we closed with the shift of market structure to the downside. But remember, during my weekly analysis, there are two information that I have. The first information was price reject around the strong support level with engulfing candlestick. There is a similar price reaction after a strong push with the doji rejection candlestick. This information are, if we look them around here, weekly time frame, is this information that we have strong. This information that the price has given us in the weekly time frame is this one. We have strong push to the downside, break structure, doji rejection, and then we continue heading to the downside. The same thing over here. Break of structure, price come here, bullish candlestick. So we are anticipating to go to the downside, but for us to continue going to the downside, in order for me to sell to the downside, for market to confirm to me that okay, there is a highly possibility that this price is going to push the downside, is when daily time frame shift the structure to the downside. So when daily time frame shift the structure to the downside, so now I was anticipated where I marked my new area of interest, which was here. So now I just want the price to come and reject around this area to continue moving to the downside. So while I was waiting for that, there was a beautiful counter trend that presented, but I didn't manage to take this trade. You can see the same trade that I took was here. This trade also I took not the same trade, but this was a counter trend. Why the rise of this counter trend? I just looked the simple thing, which is what the price has done previous. As we can see, whenever price have a strong push to the downside, give us a doji rejection candlestick, we have pushed to the upside until this resistance level. Whenever we have doji bullish engulfing candlestick, we have to the upside. Doji bullish rejection around this level, we are to the downside. The same thing happened. Bullish rejection, engulfing rejection around here, we went to the upside. But so what I was after this rejection candlestick around here, which was after this rejection candlestick, when 1 hour time frame, there was no shift of market structure. So for me to take a counter trend trade, I need a similar price reaction around the same level. And then the second thing, that similar reaction can happen in the daily or in the weekly. The most time frame that I'm considering, not a lot time frame like 1 hour, I'm just considering 4H time frame, daily time frame, and weekly time frame. So when the similar price reaction happening, I'll just take that, because always we trade what the market presents to us is what we capitalize on it. So after price break this area, after price give us a rejection candlestick, similar price reaction at this level, when I come down to lower time frame, 1 minute time frame, there was no shift of market structure, so I was not interested in taking this trade. So as you can see, the price break this level over here. When it break this level over here, didn't provide us a retest to this area so that I can obtain my entry. As you can see, we have an impassive move to the upside. There is no entry signal on here, so that's why this was a beautiful counter trend, but I didn't manage to obtain my entry. So that is number one Euro USD pair that I missed that opportunity. But let's come to USDCHF. USDCHF, at the beginning of the week, the price was clearly bearish, as you can see, where I want to show you something over here. These are my information. I always, in order to, sometimes you may forget some important information. So when I wrote them beside here. I know when the new day start or new trading day start, I'm looking at this information and say, okay, what are the because when I'm doing weekly analysis, it's like I need to combine between weekly, daily, and 4H time frame, so that to give me an idea on what the price is doing. That's the meaning of top-down analysis. You're not we're not just making top-down analysis for we're not just making top-down analysis maybe to know, oh, the trend is good, the price is going up. Okay, what information I'm obtaining, I'm obtaining from weekly time frame, and what are the information I'm obtaining from, or what the information price is giving me in daily time frame, what the information the price is giving me on 4H time frame. So when I combine all of this information, it gives me idea and better understanding of the price on what I'm looking, because the price can give me information on weekly time frame, which is not more significant, no, and the price can give me more information daily daily information, which is more significant than in the weekly time frame. So when I look at the price and this information, I'm saying, okay, uh, for now I'm playing with the better information on the weekly, daily, or daily and weekly or daily and 4H time frame. So that's why I come up with my trading idea. So either might be a counter trend, because example, weekly time frame can give me a bullish information with a strong engulfing candlestick, daily bullish trend with a engulfing candlestick. So all the direction is up, but for each time frame is giving me a similar price reaction at a certain level with the with a similar price reaction So what the information is giving me, it gives me to sell opportunity. So for now, what I will focus on 4H time frame information, because it is more important than the weekly time frame for the current market information. That's all. So when it comes to weekly time frame, at the beginning of the week, we're looking to take a sell opportunity around here, where we have this lefty head, right shoulder break, retest it. So I was waiting this price to give me a reaction around this area, with the rejection from psychological area 0.78500. 4H time frame, I was waiting 4H time frame to give me a reaction around here. So price come around here, didn't provide me with a rejection candlestick, come along up to this point over here. When the price come along this point, give me rejection, but 1H we are still bullish. As you can see, we are still bullish. Low, high, lower, low, lower, high, low, high, high, low, higher, high, higher, low. So there was no shift of market structure for me to start looking to go short. So after this point, I just stay away from this market until, though the price has provided me with a bearish rejection candle in 4H time frame from this level, until Tuesday, I think it was Tuesday, which daily time frame close with shift of market structure. As you can see here, this price will provide shift of market structure. We are high, low, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. This Tuesday candlestick break structure around there. This is when, because I'm doing my analysis at 04 AM for the next day, I saw this shift of market structure. So what I reacted quickly by spotting the new area of interest and then look for entry. So after shift of market structure, we have this strong rejection candlestick, bullish engulfing candlestick. I just went to 1 hour time frame. We have that. As you can see, we are still bullish. So I just went to 13 minutes in the same structure. We are still bullish. 15 minutes bullish. So I just take this trade. So I just take this trade around, was around 4:45, I think 4:45, and then it was done. So this was my first win trade of the week. So as you can see how I analyze them from the beginning. Yeah. So I just adapted to the market with the new information that the price is giving me. Okay.